me this: would you have any? We're towards the end of the interview as well. So one question I do want to ask you is, would you have any advice for content creators on YouTube that are starting now? Especially people that are really scared to start. A lot of people won't start because they feel they don't have the right equipment, they don't know nothing, they don't know what videos to make. Would you have any advice for people that are beginning at this time?
I think, in my opinion, I never look at a channel or someone's work and say, oh, this is not good or this is annoying or whatever. I feel like everybody can have an audience. Like I might not enjoy something, I might not enjoy certain content, but I'm sure there are thousands of other people who do, right? It's the same thing goes with what I do, right? Like I don't get offended if someone tells me like your videos are crap or this is boring or whatever. I'm like, okay, you don't like it, but there are lots of other people who do, right? So what I can tell people is, if you have an idea, uh, stick with it. Don't give up. And if you want your channel to grow, stick to a theme. Like don't be all over the place, right? Don't have like, okay, a little video of something here, and then the next day you do something about, I don't know, cooking, and then you're exercising, and then like you have a theme, have something that you like and you're interested in, stick to it, have a schedule, and I'm sure whatever it is, you can definitely grow and find an audience. Because I think there are lots of interesting ideas out there. There's nothing that you can say this is boring and stupid or whatever. Might be boring to a group of people, but it's going to be interesting and fun for a lot of other people. So that's really what I could say to anybody who's interested in starting a channel.